Hi guys, Alina with iFoodReal.com here. And this is my husband Alex. If you have not met him yet, he is an air fryer virgin. So today we will be making air fryer broccoli. I will be teaching him. And air fryer is actually my favorite tool, appliance to use for cooking vegetables because it makes vegetables eating super easy. Broccoli comes out super tender and crunchy inside and crispy outside. It's delicious and super easy. Let's do it. So we start by getting 1 pound of broccoli, and I like to buy crowns, but I also use the stems because nothing goes to waste in Ukrainian household.
True story.
So then you just wanna chop the ends, and then you wanna separate it into florets. Then you place them in a bowl. Honestly, if you want to use it, this can be used as well.
Okay, I'm so good with those little.
Because this outside is very hard. You don't want to eat that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you only kind of eat the middle. Okay, cool. So now we need to drizzle it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and sesame oil. So I like to use toasted sesame oil because it does have that toasted taste. But if you don't have that on hand, you can just omit it or add a little bit extra olive oil. Okay, now you take a big spoon and you stir it. Oh,
you have bigger one?
Sorry about the size of the bowl.
Did you have a bigger bowl ever? Well, let's see what that is. See? It's good.
Yeah, magic hands. So now, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt, ta-da, and some pepper, and some red pepper flakes. So, well, not a lot. So it's kind of like Asian flavored broccoli. Okay, now you can stir it. Yeah, mix it. We can use your magic hands for more. Sorry about the bowl. Okay, 300. And yeah. Good work. Okay, so now you hold all down. Okay, yeah, it should be single layer. This is 1 pound, and here we have 5.8 quart kasori, so it's quite large. Okay, put it in. Okay, broccoli. Oh, perfect, that's what we need. 310 minutes, so yay. You do have to shake broccoli once at 5-minute mark. If you chose a program on your air fryer, it might remind you to shake, or just set a timer and put it back in. Taste test. I'm gonna pick a tree that I like. Cheers.
Bang.
Good? I got a lot of salt.
Really good.
Very crunchy.
Very easy too.